Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you very short home remedy called mist leaf for stomach cleanser and people that have menstrual pain. So guys can see it on the fire. Already wash it and put it in the pot with lemon, some add garlic, ginger, but I'm just adding only lemon with mist leaf. It's a very good medicine remedy because mist leaf is a very rich leaf. It's good for body, especially for stomach cleanser, burning of fat. If you have big stomach, if you are taking mist leaf every day, morning and night, all your stomach will reduce, it will come down till they flat. I'm showing you guys because I love you guys. I use it and it work for me. That's why I'm showing it, I'm sharing it with you people. Try it and see, you'll love it. If you are having big tummy and maybe even waist pain, it's reducing waist pain. If you have waist pain, maybe your body is paining, your waist is paining, you are taking mist leaf every time, all those things will disappear. Menstrual pain will disappear. Big tummy will disappear. Everything will disappear. You will come free. Maybe you eat food, you won't digest well, you are having stomach blah blah blah. Take mist leaf with lemon, you will be free. You won't have all those problems again. I know I love you guys, and you guys still love me because I know you are my fans and you are my viewers. So anything I do, I use is good for me. I would like to show to you guys. I'll share it with you people because I love you so much, so much. I love you guys so much. For you people, good for me. Try for me. Subscribe my channel, share and like. Please, I'm going to show you this home remedy. It's on the fire. I'll leave it like 10 minutes to boil. Then I'll show you again. So let's check. Wow, you guys can see it's boiling. So I'll off the light now, then leave it to cool. Then you filter the water. So take the water morning and night. Half glass in the morning, half glass in the night. First thing in the morning before taking your breakfast, and last thing in the night before go to bed. Use it for 1 week. You see the difference, and you see how your tummy will be, maybe your waist where it's paining you will be. Take it complete 1 week, you see the difference. Please don't go without subscribe, share and like, comment. See you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.